OpenAI released their latest model, ChatGPT 4.0, and to go along with that, they also released a desktop app for paid users. But there's a trick to getting the app working for free, no paid subscription required. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. On OpenAI's community forum page, they have a link highlighted in green that you can click on to download the app for Mac computers. I'll put a link in the description to this webpage. Later on in the video, I'll talk about a workaround for Microsoft Windows users. After installation, launch the app and you'll be prompted to log in. After logging in, you'll get a coming soon message prompting you to head over to the web in order to continue using ChatGPT. Here's how to bypass this and get the app working for you. Attempt to log in again, but what you'll notice is there's going to be a slight delay where a box pops up before giving you the coming soon message on the app. In between that couple of second delay, what you'll want to do on your keyboard, you'll want to hold down the command button and click on Q to quit the app. When you do that, relaunch ChatGPT and you'll now see that the app is working. I'm going to do a live demonstration for you, showing you that right now. So I'm going to log in with my account. And then you saw that I just quit the app using the command and Q. So now let's relaunch it. Now you'll see the app is fully working. Just keep in mind it might take you a couple of tries before you get it working. At least that's how it was for me. I'm also going to put the instructions that I just verbally gave you in the description as well. So if you need to refer back to it, you can do that too. Even quitting the app and then relaunching it, because it'll still work for you. The one thing I noticed is if you actually sign out of the app or if you get signed out, you'll get that coming soon pop-up box again. Just do the same trick and you'll be back in using the desktop app, no problem. On the left, you have a button where you can bring up your most recent chats. If you click on the ChatGPT text, this allows you to upgrade your plan, or you can explore custom GPTs within the GPT store. This is now available to free users using GPT 4.0. If you wanted to turn on a temporary chat, which functions like an incognito mode, you would click on this toggle here. On the right-hand side, there's a button to start a new chat. You then have a paperclip where you can upload files. You have a microphone if you want to just dictate your prompt to ChatGPT instead of writing it. And then the headphones is where you can have a conversation with it. The cool thing about Mac integration is if you're a Mac user, you're familiar with Command Spacebar to bring up Spotlight Search. With ChatGPT, what you can do is you can hit instead the Option key and space, and this will bring up ChatGPT's dialog box, and you can just start typing in whatever you want. If you want to upload files, you could do that directly, and then this way you can just start using ChatGPT anywhere you are on your Mac. You're probably thinking to yourself, well, how do I actually start using GPT 4.0? As soon as you type in your prompt and ChatGPT goes to work to give you a response, what you'll notice is once the response is finished, at the bottom you have a number of options here. One of them is a toggle, and it puts you on GPT 4.0 by default. If you wanted to, for whatever reason, switch back to the older version, which is 3.5, you can do that. So uploading a file, you can upload a number of them. It can be a file, a photo, you can take a screenshot, or you can take a photo with your computer. I'm going to just upload a file, and then let's test out ChatGPT. So this is an Excel file with some sample data. Okay, so this is a little bit quirky. I can assure you that there is data within this Excel file, and for some reason it's not interpreting it. It's telling me that it still needs the data first. So again, given that you're getting access to an app that probably isn't fully fleshed out yet, you might run into something like this. Let's test out the voice capabilities to see how conversations go. So clicking on the headphones, you're going to be asked to select a voice. It gives you sort of a brief synopsis on what you can do.
Hey there, I've got a really great feeling.
I'll just go with the first one. Hi, ChatGPT. Can you tell me a bedtime story?
Of course. Here's a short bedtime story for you. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a kind and curious girl named Lily. Lily loved exploring the forest near her home.
Wait a second.
A beautiful old oak tree with
Hello?
branches that reached high into the sky.
Hello there.
One sunny afternoon,
Okay, so it looks like some of the conversational stuff that OpenAI showed in their spring update presentation, you can interrupt ChatGPT live and then carry on a conversation or ask it to do different things. That isn't quite ready yet. For Microsoft Windows users, the workaround is to install the ChatGPT web page as an app on your computer. You want to navigate to ChatGPT on the web and log in with your account. If you're using Chrome, click on the three dots on the right. Scroll down until you see Save and Share, and then click on Create Shortcut. You'll get a dialog box pop up, but before hitting Create, make sure you clicked Open as Window and then click Create. What this will do is this will now open up ChatGPT as its own app. For Microsoft's Edge browser, click on the three dots again, scroll down to Apps, and then you'll want to click on Install this site as an app. Just keep in mind with this method, you won't get the deep integration on Mac where you can hit specific keys on your keyboard to bring up ChatGPT anywhere you are. You'll still have to launch the web app on your Windows PC. Also, there's no voice capabilities on the web version just yet. But if you're looking for more on ChatGPT, I created an entire playlist that you can click on right here.